Hi, Sewing Mastery fans. I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to share with you a very exciting award that we have been gifted from YouTube. It's for reaching 100,000 subscribers on our YouTube page. And something to be aware of is if you do like somebody, you follow them, do subscribe to their channel, because only 1 in 10 people who watch videos actually subscribe. So when this award came that says we had 100,000 subscribers, that's pretty big. And I had never seen one of these awards until I got my very own. So that was really special. And I want to read you the letter that comes with it because, isn't she beautiful? Because it really describes what all YouTube creators are going for, and that we're helping society in our own way, whether we're entertaining or we're educating. There are so many people out there that are doing this to allow you to watch all this content, and it's pretty special. So I'm going to frame this letter to go with this plaque because it is pretty special. It really sums up all that I have done over the thousands of videos that we have done for the sewing industry. It says, you've done something special that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astounding 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel, that's you, has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. True. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you've found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. I thought I could get through this without crying. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think. We're rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube. We actually have 2 YouTube channels. We put all of our Bernina, Husqvarna Viking, and Pfaff videos on our Heirloom Creations YouTube channel, which is what this award was for. But we also have our Sewing Mastery YouTube channel, which I hope you'll go over and subscribe to that one. We're going to get it up to 100,000 subscribers for it. But all of this, I'm so excited that you can be part of it. We couldn't have done this without you, and I can't wait to share with you what we have planned for the next couple years. So if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channels, please find the links below this YouTube video.